back to Brigus HQ. David here. Now here's something we haven't said in quite a while. We got mail. Well, stick with us and let's see what we got that'll be going up on the website within the next couple weeks. Quite a few pieces of cloth in this order. Some nice shoulder flashes, 8th Canadian Hussars, King's Own Calgary Regiment, right? Irish Regiment, Lanark and Renfrew Scottish, PPCLI, and Hastings and Prince Edward Island Regiment. A couple formation patches, the 36th Canadian Brigade in green, right? And the 5th Canadian Division patches, as well as the 1st Canadian Army Brigade Group patches. We also picked up a really nice paratrooper wing in here. Some assorted combat cap badges or boonies, airborne, ordnance. So we got some nice selections of those. We also picked up some Rifle Regiment trade badges. These are becoming harder and harder to find, and we'll have quite a few of these coming in over the next few weeks. And of course some of the 53 to 68 trade badges and the Second World War trade badges as well. Picked up a few cap badges in this lot as well. 1st Hussars, Royal Winnipeg Rifles, Canadian Guards. But you can see that the cream of the crop in this pickup is the Edmonton Fusiliers cap badge. Now some of these cap badges are getting harder and harder to find as time goes on. We've also got a few match pairs of collars here as well. And a nice King's Crown Canadian Postal Corps cap badge. So this is it. It's nice to get a box in the mail. There's a few more coming, and quite frankly, I have so many. I can't remember what all I ordered and in what order they'll be coming in. Well, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be putting videos up every couple of weeks, as well as some shorts. And until the next time, we'll see you then. Have a good day. Bye from David.